Are you having trouble teaching your child to read? Are you feeling overwhelmed and don't know where to start? Our program is here to help you. With 32 step-by-step lessons, video lessons, MP3 lessons, activities, storybooks and games, your child will learn to read in record time. Our program is designed to be simple and easy to follow, even for parents who have no teaching experience. Each lesson is clearly laid out and includes everything you need to get started. But don't just take our word for it. Here is a practical example of how your child can develop with our program.
Okay, really nicely sounded that. No, that's little makes what sound. Good. Good job. Upside down. Good. No, there's no S at the end. Try one more time. No S at the end. Good job. Yes, red.
Space Battle. The time has come for the rebels to put their plan into action. The rebels fly X-Wings when attacking the Death Star with the Empire forces trying to blast them in their TIE fighters. The fast and furious battle takes place deep in space.
As you can see, our program really works. And with our special offer, you can get instant access to the program for just $39 instead of $129. Don't put off your child's development any longer. With our Phonics Foundations Reading Program, you can teach your child to read quickly, easily, and in a fun way. So go ahead and click on the link below to get started now. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon as a proud parent of a reader.